离这耶诞节剩一礼拜尔，但年这个时阵呢，这芬兰耶诞老人村上届无闲，那爱看全世界各地头寄来下关的批，而且应该爱四界去送礼物，因为今年全世界有真济动乱，耶诞老人也下关，希望世界和平。
卡达着白色耶诞老人抬着大大礼物袋啊，行向伊交通工具，通知疲劳，准备要出发去发送礼物。今年一届耶诞节特别到了，每一当这个时期，就是芬兰耶诞老人村上无闲的时刻。耶诞老人无闲阅读，各地自动寄来批，受到全球各地发生动乱的影响，耶诞老人除了祝福大家耶诞快乐，嘛真罕的祈愿，毋望会当世界和平。
And I really hope that we could find a way that people could live in peace. Because sad things are happening around the world all the time. We can't deny that. But I really hope that we could find a way that how to live in a peace together around the world. So Merry Christmas.
耶诞老人认为庆祝节日的方式有真济款，对每一个人来讲拢是正确的。耶鲁邮局内底精灵嘛无闲加数十万件为全球各地寄来下关批做分类，今年的批甚至有为台湾寄来批。
Santa has received hundreds of thousands of letters to Santa Claus Main Post Office from all over the world. So far, most letters have arrived from Asian countries like Taiwan and also European countries. Poland would be in top 5 of them.
精灵表示，今年大部分的囡仔想要真侪佚佗物仔做礼物，其中上普遍的愿望是毋望收到减压球。真侪游客嘛，伫即个时期进入耶鲁村，感受节日的气氛，而且排队甲耶诞老人会面，实现囡仔时期的梦想。毛家配合耶诞老人的民众，毋望收到耶诞老人的批甲祝福。广西新闻台是同朋友。